This is how you solve a trinomial. At first, you know you're gonna have two brackets, and then you will equate them to 0. And then, as you can see, this is x squared. So whatever you put here, when you multiply by whatever you put here, it must give you x squared. So as you can see, I put x multiplied by x is gonna give me x squared. So now the signs. I gotta know the signs first. What does this sign here mean? What is it? It is positive. What does this positive mean? It means that the signs that I'm gonna put into these two brackets, they're gonna be the same. The same. I'm gonna put the same signs in here. But which sign? Is it positive or is it negative sign? Let me show you something. Here, this is positive. It is a positive sign. That right here is a positive sign. So that means in the bracket, we already know that we have to put the same sign. So we're gonna take this sign here and then we're gonna put it right here. Two of them, they have to be the same because of this. But if this was negative, then the signs were not going to be the same. But because this is positive, they will be the same. But if this is positive and then this is negative, the signs were still gonna be the same, but it was gonna be negative. It was gonna be negative here. You understand what I'm saying, right? So this is how it goes. Let me repeat again. This sign is positive here. It means the signs that are going into the brackets, they're gonna be the same. So as this the one that I'm going to put here. But if this one was not positive, if it was negative, then I was gonna put two negatives in the two brackets here. Okay, now let's move on. Now we are going to the common factors. So this is 1 here, you know that. Now you're gonna say 1 multiplied by 14, that is 14. So you're gonna write 1 and 14, right? So you're gonna look for the numbers that can go into 14. As you can see, 1 can fit into 14 how many times? 14 times. What about 2? 2 can fit into 14 how many times? 7 times. So do you see, like, 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Equals to 9. How did I know that? I took this sign. What does this sign tell us? It tells us that the signs in the brackets, they are the same. What else does it tell us? It can tell us that we have to add our our numbers here. We are adding these two numbers. But if this here was negative, then we were going to subtract 7 and 2. So this means that we have to add our numbers here so that we get 9. So you see, like, 1 plus 14 is not going to give us 9, but 2 plus 7 will give us 9. So you'll have to put 2 and 7 in the brackets. Now you're gonna say x plus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 7 equals to 0. X equals to negative 2, or x equals to negative 7. You're done. So basically here, you just have to know the signs. This sign is positive. It tells us that the signs in the brackets are going to be the same. They're gonna be this. This is your sign in the brackets. If this is negative, then the signs were both gonna be negative. But if this was negative, then the signs were gonna be negative and positive. So if this was negative, this doesn't have to be negative or positive. Whatever it is, the signs are not going to be the same. We'll do that in the next example, where I show you how to factorize with different signs here. Ciao. Please like and subscribe.